counting the amount of times a Boolean goes from true to false in a column. I have a column in a data frame which is filled with Booleans, and I want to count how many times it changes from true to false. I can do this when I convert the Booleans to ones and zeros, then use df.diff and then divide that answer by 2. My expected outcome would be the amount of times false came up is 3.
You can perform a bitwise AND of the kernel 1 with a mask indicating where changes occur in successive rows, where the mask is obtained by comparing kernel 1 with a shifted version of itself, pd.shift. For multiple columns, you can do exactly the same. Here I tested with a kernel 2 identical to kernel 1.
Just provide different idea.
Notice that subtracting true, 1, from false, 0, in integer terms, gives -1. To apply across a Boolean data frame, you can construct a series mapping label to count.
My strategy was to find where the difference in one row to the next, considering that trues are ones and falses are zeros, of course. Thus, com1.shift represents the delta value where a 1 is a shift from false to true, 0 no change, and -1 shift from true to false. After getting the value counts as a dict of these 1, 0, -1 values, you can select for just the -1s and get the number of times the df shifted to a false value from a true value. I hope this helped answer your question.
If możesz to płyną, puść się na innym